Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Good morning, Ma'am Sheyu. Happy birthday. And gusto ko lang pong magpasalamat sa inyo dahil napakabait niyo po na tao, matulungin, hindi nakakalimot sa pinanggagalingan. At maraming salamat din po kahit hindi po tayo kilala sa personal, ay tinuring niyo po rin po kaming kaibigan, kapatid. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Shi. And sana di po kayo magbago and stay pretty, sexy, healthy. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo na I wish you all the best in everything. You deserve it. And yun lang. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. I love you, Ma'am Sheyu. Happy birthday.
Ma'am Shishayu, happy birthdays, more birthdays to come. At sana marami pang blessing dumating sa buhay mo at sa pamilya mo. At sana lagi po kayong healthy at sana marami ka pa pong taong matulungan. At maraming salamat po sa tinulong mo sa akin At pasensya ka na, hindi ako nakakapunta masyado sa live mo kasi medyo busy na rin dahil sa paghahanap buhay, kahit anong raket, at sana pagpalain ka pa ni Lord. Happy birthdays and more birthdays to come. I love you, Ma'am Shishayu. God bless.
Hello po, ma'am. Happy birthday po. More birthday to come. God bless po. We love you. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Hello po. Good morning. Good morning po, Madam CEO. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po, Madam. Kagising ka lang kaya. Happy birthday po. Sana po enjoy niyo lang po yung pinaka-special day niyo ngayon. Happy birthday po. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo at marami pang blessing ang dumating sa inyo. More birthdays to come and more blessing to come. And pinaka-importante syempre yung good health natin. Lagi natin panatalihin. And again, happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po, Madam, sa walang sawa niyong pag-share ng blessing sa amin. Sa mga tao, hindi lang sa amin naglalaro sa inyo. Sa lahat, na always kayo nag-share ng blessing. Maraming salamat po, Madam. And again, happy birthday po, Madam. See you. Iyan lang po. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and then good evening to all over the world. Gusto ko lang pong batiin. Happy birthday to Ma'am Lady Cheyu, ang aking pangalawang tahanan sa YT World. Happy birthday, Ma'am Cheyu. More blessing, good health, stay pretty and sexy as you are. Sana all na lang talaga. This also can, and then we love you from the Power Team Syndicate. Love you.
Hello, Ma'am Sheo. Happy birthday po. Wish na ko sa imong birthday man is good health always and more blessings to come. At saka dito lang kami kahit hindi ka na masyadong nag-ELS, kahit dito lang kami lahat ng mga team syndicate at saka power entry para sumuporta sa iyo hanggang dulo yan na. Happy birthday ulit. God bless you po. Hello, Mami. Nina. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ninang Sheyu. God bless. God bless, Ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Sheyu.
Hello po, Ma'am Sheyu. I just want to thank you a happy birthday. Stay pretty and sexy. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Happy birthday, Sheyu. Have a wonderful birthday ngayon dyan kung nasan ka man naroon, no? happy birthday again. Kagigising ko lang, ayan, no? Kilo-kilong ay baga meron ako. Happy birthday.
Mega love shout out to everyone and to all YT worlds. Sis, thank you very much for being there and for being my good friend. I do consider you one of my best friends. And also because of you, I laughed a little harder, cried a little less, and smiled a lot more. And also, I hope you have a good day on your birthday. More blessings to come, good health, and more happiness in life. Thank you sis so much for everything. I know you're always there to listen as my friend. Again, I hope you have a good day. I love you, sis.